healthy habits for school, sleep, social planning, meals and more. The beginning of a new academic year is both exciting and challenging. For students, it's a fresh start, but it can also bring anxiety about new routines and expectations. Building healthy habits early on in areas like sleep schedules, social planning, and meals can create a strong foundation for success. Sleep schedules, the bedrock of success. Why it's important. Adequate sleep is crucial for cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall well-being. Establish a consistent bedtime routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock. Avoid electronics before bed. Screens emit blue light, which can interfere with melatonin production. Social planning, balance and boundaries. Why it's important. A healthy social life supports emotional well-being and reduces stress, but overcommitment can detract from study time. Schedule social activities. Plan social outings or online catch-ups in advance. Set boundaries. Know when to say no, and don't overcommit. Meals. Fuel for the mind. Why it's important. Proper nutrition fuels the brain and body, enhancing concentration and energy levels. Plan and prepare meals ahead. Prepping meals saves time during the week. Eat balanced, nutritious meals. Include a mix of nutrients to fuel your body and mind. Life management. Building habits that last. Why it's important. Effective life management promotes a sense of control and achievement. Outline non-academic obligations. Build a schedule for chores, extracurricular activities, family time, and other non-academic responsibilities to create room for academic duties once they begin. Incorporate exercise and self-care. Regular physical activity enhances well-being and sets a routine that can be maintained throughout the school year. Establishing solid habits in sleep, social planning, meals, and life management is not just about gearing up for the academic challenges ahead. This proactive approach helps students navigate the challenges of the new year with resilience and thrive both in and out of the classroom. If you need help, get in touch with us. Like and subscribe.